Welcome to this tutorial on how to install Microsoft Power BI Desktop in Windows 10. Power BI is a powerful business analytic tool that helps organizations visualize their data and inform decisions. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of installing Power BI Desktop on your Windows 10 machine so you can start creating amazing data visualization right away. The first step to installing Power BI Desktop is to download the software from the Microsoft website. We will show you how to navigate to the correct page and download the installer file. Don't worry, it's a quick and easy process. You have to open Google Chrome in your system and then search Power BI Desktop download. Press enter. This page will appear in here after searching this, and then you have to select this website. Scroll down to the download button. You have to select version language. At last, click on download button. In this pop-up here, you have to select Power BI Desktop Setup 64-bit. Then click on next. You see here the downloading will start. Once the installer file has finished downloading, it's time to run it. We will guide you through the installation process, showing you how to choose your installation location and customize setup options. Now you have to click on select language and press next. Now follow these some simple steps. Now that you have Power BI Desktop installed, it's time to start working with your data. You can load data from various sources like Excel, CSV files and databases and all. You will see how to create queries and transform your data into your format you need. With your data loaded in Power BI, it's time to create your first visualization. If you want to create some visualization with the help of videos, you can refer to our Power BI playlist. At last, congratulations! You have successfully installed Microsoft Power BI Desktop on your Windows 10 machine. With this powerful tool at your fingertips, you will be able to create stunning data visualizations and make informed decisions in no time. Don't forget to check out our other Power BI tutorials for even more tips and tricks, or even you can check our Power BI playlist. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.